Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich here with your outlook for the weekend, May 14th and 15th, 2016. For your Saturday, we're going to have a cold front that's going to be approaching the area today. Out ahead of this, we're going to get some pretty warm temperatures, and temperatures should be warmer than they were yesterday. So by that cold front coming through earlier in the day yesterday, that kept temperatures down. Today, the sun will come out in the morning, and it'll kind of be the opposite of what we were dealing with on Friday. Temperatures out ahead of this, especially for eastern sections, will get up quite warm, and then this cold front will push through this afternoon and evening. Now, we'll have to watch this for those eastern sections that do get those temperatures up a little bit higher. May have some stronger storms to deal with today, but I don't think this is going to be a long duration deal. The global models still are not very thrilled with this, but we go over to the NAM, take a look at what that shows. You have basically an unorganized line here in the western sections here. This is looking at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. As you go to the next frame, however, it gets a little bit more organized, and this is getting into those areas that have the better heating down towards Philadelphia, South Jersey, and Delaware. So we'll have to watch those areas especially. For extreme eastern Pennsylvania, the further east you go, the better chance and potential you have for stronger storms. Now, we're not looking at widespread severe today. We're looking at maybe some gusty winds with these lapse rates a little bit higher, but wouldn't be surprised to see a severe wind report out of this. That's pretty much what your threat would be for today. But this does not last very long. It's just one line that comes through. This is looking at 5 p.m. and the next frame, it's off the coast, and this is 8 p.m. So it goes in and out pretty quickly, and we're not going to be hanging around with an all-day rain or all-evening rain event anyway. But one big story behind this front is it's going to get pretty cold for this time of year, and temperatures will be struggling out of the 50s probably anywhere in our coverage area. I don't see it getting to 60 degrees anywhere in our coverage area here on Sunday, and it will also be breezy on Sunday. See these isobars lining up pretty close to one another here. It's going to have wind gusts generally 20 to 30 miles per hour, maybe a little bit higher than that on Sunday. So it's going to feel colder as well, with temperatures being stuck in the 50s. For our western sections, you may have an isolated shower just from the instability type showers that pop up just because the upper levels are very cold. You can see that here on the upper air analysis, and you look at this is an anomaly from what it is supposed to be for this time of year, and you can see these numbers here aloft are looking at temperatures that are anywhere between 5 and 10 degrees below normal, so average for the next 5 days. So this is the coldest day of the core. This is going to be on Sunday, so this cold shot will be around for about 5 days as far as keeping things below normal for a little while, and then we start to moderate toward the end of next week, and we go actually above normal after we get into probably next weekend and beyond into the end of the month, it looks like. So going a little bit farther from here, we do have high pressure moving in the area over top of the area, actually just south of the area. It's going to be here on Monday, so that's going to keep us mostly sunny here on Monday, but we're really not going to moderate too much from what it was on Sunday. We'll probably get into the lower 60s in some areas, low to mid 60s in some cases, so it'll be a little bit warmer, but not warm for this time of year standards. Then we're going to have an increase in clouds later Tuesday. We have a system moving off to our south that's going to bring some showers, primarily it looks like for our southern sections, but we're not going to rule out anywhere further north than that. You will still have the clouds to deal with later in the day on Tuesday, some showers Tuesday night, and then this wraps up, it looks like, early Tuesday morning, and that's a look at early Tuesday morning right there, and then that's out of here. So improving conditions on Wednesday after a dreary start, but I still think it remains mostly cloudy in the afternoon on Wednesday until this thing finally pulls away. High pressure anchored to our west is going to move in for Thursday. That's going to clear us out and give us a nice stretch, we think, of dry weather. I don't think there's going to be any precipitation to deal with. Finally, we're going to change this pattern around to a prolonged period of dry, we think, starting with Thursday of next week. And that should go for a while, and at the same time, temperatures should increase per our latest long-range projections that were released last night. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. That is your outlook for the weekend, May 14th and 15th, 2016. Have a great Saturday and Sunday.